friends, how are you today? My name's Miss Sally, and I brought my book bag. Shall we see what story we have today? Oh, it's one of my favorites. It's called The Rain Came Down. Where I live, the rain comes down almost every day. Let's see this big picture here on the cover. Wow. And this book is by David Shannon. Are you ready? On Saturday morning, the rain came down. It made the chickens squawk. I guess those chickens don't like the rain. The cat yowled at the chickens, and the dog woof, 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 barked at the cat. And still, the rain came down. The man yelled at the dog and woke up the baby. "Stop all that yelling," shouted the man's wife. The dog barked even louder. And still, the rain came down. Uh-oh. Does all that yelling make the rain stop? I don't think so. A policeman heard all that noise and stopped to see what was wrong. Knock, knock, knock. His car was blocking traffic, and half a block away, a woman squirmed in the back of a taxi. "Hurry up or I'll miss my plane," she told the taxi driver. So he started honking his horn. Honk, honk, honk. The truck driver in front of him got mad and started honking back. Honk, honk, honk. "I have tomatoes to deliver," he shouted. The ice cream man heard the honking and turned up the music on his van. Jingle, jingle, jingle went his music. Slappity slap, slappity slap went his windshield wipers. And still the rain came down. The owner of the beauty parlor came out to see what all the fuss was about. She bumped into the barber coming out of his barber shop, and they began to argue. Up on the ladder, the painter grumbled, "I can't paint in the rain," and he started to climb down and bonked the barber in the head, bonk, with his can of paint. Now all three of them were arguing. Next, the baker stepped out of his bakery. "My roof is leaking and my cakes are getting wet," he moaned. He opened his umbrella and poked the pizza man in the nose. Bonk. So they joined in the bickering too. A boy ran by, chasing a boat down a stream in the gutter. He splashed a little girl, and she began to cry. Ah! Did that stop the rain? Nope. Still, the rain came down. The grocery man stomped out into the sidewalk and yelled, "Where's that delivery truck? I need my tomatoes." He ran into a lady coming out of a clothing store and knocked her boxes into the fruit stand. Oh no! Oranges, apples, and lemons bounced down the sidewalk. And still, the rain came down. Oh, there's that little boy with his boat. He sees all the fruits spilling out all over. The policeman walked back to his car. "What's all this ruckus about?" he asked. The whole block was honking and yelling, and bickering and barking. Oh. And then the rain stopped. And so did all the noise. The sun came out, the air smelled fresh and sweet, and everything shimmered, and a rainbow stretched across the rooftops. Oops. "It's much too nice a day to be arguing," said the baker. "I have cakes to bake." "And I have pizzas to make," said the pizza man. "I could use a shave while my building dries," said the painter to the barber, and they went inside. The policeman said, "Everything looks A-OK here to me," and he drove off in his car. The woman in the taxi decided she had time to have her hair done before her trip, and she went into the beauty parlor. So the lady with the boxes got into the taxi and went home. The truck driver told the grocer, "I have your tomatoes." "Oh, wonderful," said the grocer. "But first I have to pick up all this fruit." The little girl and boy helped him pick up all his fruit, so he bought them ice cream cones, and the ice cream man gave them an extra scoop each because it was such a nice day. Ooh, I like ice cream. Then the man and his wife and their baby had a picnic together in the backyard, while the dog and the cat and the chickens slept in the warm afternoon sun. The end. Ooh, that was quite an adventure with some rain. I hope you liked my story today. I sure had fun reading it to you. I'll see you next time. Bye.